In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Steam. If you want to play games more privately, avoid interruptions, or simply keep your activity hidden from your friends list, Steam gives you a quick way to do that. The good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a few moments once you know where to look. To get started, open Steam on your computer and let the app load as usual. Make sure you're on the main Steam window before moving on. This is important because the option you need is located in the top menu area of the desktop app, so it's easiest to follow along from the main screen. Once Steam is open, look to the upper left corner of the window and click on Friends. This opens the social menu where Steam lets you manage how your account appears to others. If you use Steam often for multiplayer games, chat, or invites, this is the same area where you can control your online visibility and interaction settings. After clicking Friends, select Invisible. As soon as you do that, your account will appear offline to other people on Steam, even though you're still logged in and can continue using the platform normally. This is a useful option if you want to browse your library, launch games, or stay signed in without showing that you're online. It's worth noting that Invisible is different from fully logging out or going offline in the traditional sense. With Invisible mode, you can still access Steam and use its features, but other users won't see you as active. That makes it a great choice if you want privacy without losing access to the app. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same Friends menu and choose a different status. So if you're expecting messages later or want to show that you're available again, the change is easy to reverse. One helpful tip is to make sure you choose Invisible and not a different status if your goal is to stay hidden while remaining connected. Steam offers a few presence options, and selecting the correct one makes all the difference. And that's all there is to it. Open Steam, click Friends in the upper left menu, and choose Invisible to appear offline. It's a fast and convenient way to control your privacy while still enjoying everything Steam has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.